Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a unit by Sensationnel. It's part of their Butta Lace 90s Bangs series. And here it is right here. It's Butta Lace 90s Bangs 901. This is the unit right here. Let me turn it to the side so you guys can kind of see her. Hopefully that ring light is not putting too much of a shine on the style or stock car of this unit. I have her in beige blonde. That's something I want to try, that beige blonde with this unit. I just thought it would be fun. So we'll go ahead and jump off into this video. That color beige blonde right here, and they come with this little curler in the bang part of this unit to keep that bang straight and make it do its thing, honey, because that's the highlight of this unit, is that bang right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the cap construction. You guys, of course, this is the front lace front unit, ear to ear. You get your 2 ear cones. You get that neck to neck cone. I'm always leaving it in there. You get that strap, that wig band that is adjustable right here. All right, and I know I said neck to neck cone, but you do get those adjustable straps too, as well as that wig band. Okay, but this is the part right here. It's a right side part. Nice lace, as you can see. All right, that right side part. Look how good that lace looks. Okay, that butter lace is on point, but that's that color. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off this wig, and we're gonna go ahead and wrap and finish up this video, you guys. Card with Miss Bangs 901, that 90s bang. Special colors are located here on the back. She comes in several different special colors. She has a HD lace, hand-tied 5-inch deep lace part. Okay. Now in the inside, it just shows you about that butter lace and the normal lace right here inside the stock card. Tells you more features about this unit, which I'll go ahead and read some. It says ear-to-ear lace with a 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, which that means it's a 5-inch deep part, okay? But it has a little bit of wide of a part that you can just kind of like push over to the left or the side a little bit more, but it's not 5 inches across. It's just 5 inches deep, so don't get that twisted, all right? Pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline. The density on this unit, you guys, is great. The texture is like a yaki texture, very full unit. I'm really liking this unit off the top, so let me just go ahead and give you that little spoiler alert. I'm feeling this 90s bang unit because you can wear it in 2 ways. As you can see, the model has it in, like I styled it also, with the bang and without the bang. I'm really feeling this hairline on this unit too as well. And look at that. Look at that lace. So nice. It's supposed to fit most skin types or skin tones, but I did use a little bit of my makeup to put on the lace on the front once I had the bang part style out. I did put some makeup in there on that part right there in the front where the bang is, and I put just a little bit, a tad bit right here in the parting area, but I didn't go crazy because it really actually fits my skin tone pretty good, pretty closely, and I appreciate that too as well. So that's pretty much it about this unit. The color I have is beige blonde once again, but they do sell this in a platinum blonde too. So my feelings about this unit, it is a purchase, okay? This unit is a purchase. This is just one of the many units inside of this bangs, this 90 bangs collection from Sensational Butter Lace series. I think these units will be a purchase for me, myself. And you can find them online right now for this actual unit 901 at ebonyline.com. It's $31.99. Sam's Beauty is $33.99. So Good BB, they are filming with the discount code is $25.59. But like I said, they do have these units in other styles too as well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they do have them in other styles too. So, you know, you guys, you may want to check that out, but I know I will be checking it out because I'm really feeling this bang unit. And if all of them are constructed like this one right here, I can't help but to buy them, all right? You know, you get your 2 ear combs, your nape and neck comb, you get that adjustable strap, or those adjustable straps, and then you get adjustable wig band in the inside too as well. It is not removable, okay? So you're going to have to stick with it, all right? So that's going to wrap us up for now, you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And do not forget to hit that notification bell so you'll realize or know what we're uploading next time here in Necessary Necessities. For all those who are out there watching, you guys, don't forget to leave a comment because I do read my comments. I do read my comments. Till next time, you guys.